Hey, what's up guys? It's Dylan with MyGlassTruck, and today we're going to be going over how to use our ratchet straps and connect them to our e-track system. So before we get started, we want to make sure that the area we're placing our product on is clean and free of debris and the rubber padding is in good condition. You also want to make sure that your ratchet strap is not torn or frayed. Okay, now it's time to strap our cargo down. First, we want to make sure the strap is not too tight. If it is, go ahead and open the lever and pull the feed end until the strap is loose. Insert the e-track fitting into a slot so that the strap is completely around your cargo. Pull on the adjustable side until you have eliminated the slack. Press on the release latch to open the lever and ratchet strap down until it is tight. Make sure you don't over tighten it or you can crush your cargo. Also, make sure your cargo does not exceed the rated load of the strap itself. Once it is tight, you can roll up the excess strap and tuck it away. To release the strap, press on the release latch to open the lever fully and pull on the adjustable side. Alright guys, and that's how you operate our e-track and ratchet strap system. Once again, my name's Dylan with MyGlassTruck. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, give us a call, or check out our website at myglasstruck.com.